Ford's Active Park Assist in the 2019-2021 Edge models is a semi-autonomous system designed to aid in parking. It uses ultrasonic sensors and a rear-view camera to identify suitable parallel or perpendicular parking spaces. While driving slowly under 5 miles per hour, the system scans for spaces and alerts you via the dashboard. Once a space is detected, shift into reverse and the system takes over steering. You control the acceleration and braking. Remember, this is an assist feature. Keep your hands on the wheel and monitor your surroundings. It's a Level 1 ADAS, so it requires driver oversight for safe operation. Active Park Assist has limitations. It only works at low speeds under 7 miles per hour, requires clear sensor visibility, and cannot handle angled parking or garages without intervention. As of December 2025, this system is outdated compared to newer Ford models with Copilot 360, which uses AI and better sensors for improved accuracy. Real-world data indicates that many owners of 2019-2021 Edges have deactivated the system due to unreliability. Keep in mind, Ford recommends keeping your hands on the wheel when using this feature, as the system does not handle full control.